stamp on you. Nice, smooth operation, you know?
He's running pretty well today, sir.
Perfect.
It did, but you all just said that.
All right, maybe I better get out of here right before I
No, kick it out. Give us some ideas, Kevin. We're open for ideas.
You want big ideas, huh?
Yes, sir. Not ideas, we want solutions.
Solutions, there we go.
Okay.
I love it.
Mark Francis spent a lot of time back here today on the nuts. Oil, not oil. Alcohol, not alcohol.
Where is that with the oily nuts? What's there? Sounds kind of wild.
I had a question, Kevin.
Yeah.
Has any of that ever been documented of what caused the failure?
On the oily nuts?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
That's where you start, right?
I think so. Am I wrong?
Sometimes we're running at the quick solution and not really, there's no analysis here really. There's no step-by-step review and looking at the root cause. It's just, okay, do that. And if the problem is over, if it's over for a minute or an hour, then I can escape.
And or you get the problem fixed and the pump phases out.
Yeah.
I'm a newbie, but Mark's helping out. We're going to run that bowl out. Those are wash parts.
Where is that? Where is that bowl?
Right here.
That's the one.
That's the one. Right behind.
Oh, that's amazing.
How you doing?
Good. Everything under control?
I don't know about that. I've never been in control for a while.
I have to have those, right?
Don't get me in trouble.
All right. I don't want to be in your area, you know.
The safety guy comes back here and just rides my butt.
Roger never talks to me. Sometimes
He's afraid of you.
Scowl.
He's afraid of you. You're an intimidating man, sir.
Hey, thank you.
Thanks, Kevin.
Back in the saddle again, huh? You guys didn't give me training on how this machine works or some machine documentation or